Hi, this is Asan. Today I'm going to show you how you actually migrate SSRS packets. From SQL Server reporting service from old case to new case. So let's see our old case is actually SQL Server 2008 R2, and we want to move those report server in our new case, that is SQL Server 2019. How you can do that? On old case, at first you have to take copy only backup, report server and report server temdb database, and also you have to take full backup all the rest of the database, and also you have to take backup of the encryption key of your old case. Encryption key, it's a report server encryption key. You have to back up those encryption key, then you have to restore those in new case. And on new case, then after backing up everything, like you have to restore all database, and you have to definitely have to install SQL Server reporting service, and then you have to configure SQL Server reporting service configuration. You have to restore encryption key on new server, then you have to change some data source connection string. We will see that. Okay, let's see. This is our scenario. This is my new case. 2000. This is SQL Server 2019. As you can see, we don't have any database here. Fresh things here. And let's go back our old case. So let's see. This is our old case, and old case is actually running SQL Server 2008 R2, and we have couple of database, which is report server temdb test. So there are few database here. So at first we have to take report server and report server temdb copy only backup, and that is full backup, and then rest of database we can take normal full backup. And here you go. If you can see here, this is my report server, and you can see we have some report here. Okay, we have some reports, two reports here actually. Report 1. So this is report 1. Let's go back another report. Report 2. So there are only two reports here. We have some connection string, data source connection string here. Database actually connecting test database from SQL Server 2008. So this database, test database, and this is my server. And here, and catalog is test. Okay, now let's get started. Report server, at first we have to take copy only backup. Okay, go ahead, task backup, copy only backup, make sure it's full backup. The location you have to provide, remove, add, expand it. Okay, I'm fine. Report server back. Okay, backup has been done. Next, report server temdb, same way, copy only backup, remove, add. Okay, server temdb back. Okay, next, database backup, full backup, location, report back. Okay, default backup, default location, fine. Okay, this backup also done. Same backup, this backup. Okay, so we have 4 database. We have take full backup. Only report server and report server we took copy only backup. And here we have to take encryption key backup from here. You see here, if once you open the reporting service configuration manager, you can see here there is an encryption key here. Click on here and you can see you can take backup location. You have to provide location. Let's see here, we can store C drive. Okay, report server key. Okay, now save. We have to provide a password. You can give any password. You have to confirm that password. You will need this password when you restore in your new case. Okay, creating encryption key backup. Okay, done. Now you can check here C drive. We have this report server key. This is the key. Okay, now we have to move this file. Okay, back first I'm trying to move our backup file. Okay, our backup location here. This is my backup, all backup. Copy and move it our network location. This is network location. Yeah, paste it here, paste. And also we need the encryption key. Let's go back and go C drive. This is the encryption key. Copy this one, go back your migration network drive, paste it here. So we have backup and we have encryption key backup. So that's all. Now let's go our new server. So we don't have any reporting service right now. We have to install reporting service. So I have already downloaded the file. Let me check the network drive. Yeah, this is the SQL Server reporting service for 2019. Copy this one and paste it in your local drive, C drive, fine, and just install it. Okay, install reporting service, free edition for 6 months. Next, I accept this license term. Next, install report service only. Next, report location. Next, yeah, done. So you can close here and you can configure from here. You can just search report. Yeah, report server configuration manager. Click on here and yes, you have to click here connect and you have to provide a service account name, virtual account or domain name. Virtual account is fine. Okay, we have to at first we have to choose the database. Since we don't have any database in our report server in this 2019, we don't have any database. Let me quickly change database. Okay, create a new report server database. Okay, go next. Server name is SQL Server 2019. Yes, SQL Server 2019. Test connection succeeded. Next, so database name will be report server. Okay, go next. So now it's pointing, should create two database here. Refresh it. Yeah, report server and report server TMDB. By default it will create two database here. Okay, let me go back here. Web server. Currently I don't have any web server URL. Let me just apply it. It will create virtual directory report server. Okay, now our report server web service URL is live. Now go back web portal URL. apply. Now it should be also live. Now let's go back, as we have to restore those database. So we have copied those database in our network drive. Let's see. So we have our backup here from old server. Let me copy those file backup, and we have report server encryption key, and this is also we need. Okay. Okay, copy it and paste it in our local. Okay, we don't need anything, paste it here. Okay, now restore report server first. Task restore database device location, and go C drive report server. This is our database. Okay, and file, default location is fine, overwrite, and okay, you just uncheck this tail log backup, we don't need. Sometime it will generate some error since our database is actually using by report server, so we might need to use this option, close existing connection. Yes, let's see, database in use. Okay, database actually using report server, so you can check this, close existing connection. Okay, now press OK. Now it should work. Okay, so report server has been successfully restored. Now report server TMDB task restore database general device location, and our location report server TMDB here. Close existing connection, overwrite. So report server TMDB also restored. Okay, let me quickly attach restore another. So we have successfully restored all the database from our old case. Okay, now refresh it. Done. Now let's go back to your report server configuration manager. Yeah. Try to access from the URL first. Let's see. Let me quickly change again, then we will just go next. Database report server native, next. Okay, succeeded. Now let's go back encryption key. Restore encryption key, report server, password. Yeah, now it's working. Now try to explore the web URL. Okay, it's loading. You can click data source. Click on data source here, and here you can see here connection string is old connection string. So you have to provide the new server name here. So this is my new server, copy it here and go back reporting. Let me just quickly replace this. Catalog is our test. Okay, we have to provide the credential, and let's check test connection connected successfully, and apply. We're fine now. Let's go back our reporting report. report 1 is up. Report 1 is up. Report 2 also up. So this is how you actually migrate your old SQL Server reporting services from old case to new case. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.